Hey guys, so here is how you're going to use Bitly URL shortener. So the first thing that you're going to do is of course to go to the app.bitly.com, and in here just sign up or log in to your account. Now once you have signed up, you can choose to create a link first. So what you're going to do is to get the link that you want to shorten. Now you can place the link that you want to shorten here, and then you can hit enter to immediately create. But if you want to have titles or other special details in your link, you can fill out these prompts. Like for example, you can add a title, you can choose to have enter a special domain or custom halfback, you can do QR code, bit.ly page, and UTM parameters. But take note that if you're going to generate a QR code specifically for this website, you have to upgrade to a premium plan. However, you have two free QR generator every month. Now, if you think that you're satisfied with just the URL, you can just hit enter and then it will quickly create a shortened link for you. You can see this link right here, and this is made specifically for you. Now, what you're going to do is to copy this link and then share it to your social accounts or share it to Messenger, wherever you want to share it so that other people can use it. And that's it.